Hey guys, it's Kaylee. This lesson is on the 7 wonders of the world. Let's go! Our first wonder of the world is the Roman Colosseum. The Colosseum was built to seat around 50,000 people to view grand events of the time. The huge amphitheater was built in Rome, Italy, between 70 and 80 AD. The walls are built out of stone, and there are many underground tunnels, passages, and trapdoors that were used by animals, actors, and gladiators. A portion of the Colosseum collapsed in an earthquake in 847. Next up, we have Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza was a political and economic hub for the people. The large city was built by the Mayans in Mexico from 750 to 1200 BC. The most famous part of this city is El Castillo, the steep pyramid that's pictured here. Other famous parts include the Temple of the Warriors, the Great Ball Court, which was a sports field, and the sacred cenote, which was an underground river. The next wonder of the world is the pyramids of Giza. The pyramids were built about 5 miles west of the Nile River in Cairo, Egypt. The pyramids were built to be grand tombs for the kings of ancient Egypt. They're called pharaohs. From 2550 to 2490 BC. The Great Pyramid is the largest one, originally standing at 481 feet tall, but because of erosion, it now stands at 455 feet tall. Next, we have the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall is 13,171 miles long, and it was built from the 14th to the 17th centuries in China. This wall is so large, astronauts can see it from the space station. The wall was designed to protect China from Mongol invaders coming from the north. Next, we have Machu Picchu. It's a stone city built by the Incas located in the Andes Mountains in Peru at over 8,000 feet above sea level. It's believed to have been built in the 15th century, but was only discovered in 1911. Machu Picchu means old mountain in the native language of the Incas, and it was a royal retreat for the emperor. This is Petra, an ancient city and major center for foreign trade. It was built in Jordan from 9 BC to 40 AD. Nomadic Arabs came in and out of the city often as it sat near many spice trade routes. Many of the ancient structures were destroyed by an earthquake in 363. Lastly, we have the Taj Mahal. This fancy building in Agra, India, was built from 1632 to 1652. It is a famous mausoleum, meaning it contains burial chambers for the deceased. It was a gift to be the final resting place for the wife of a Mughal emperor. Taj Mahal means crown of palaces, and it is made of white marble. It is 561 feet tall and is considered one of the most famous pieces of art in all of India. So now, which of the 7 wonders of the world are you going to travel to first? Keep practicing what you've learned by doing the online games and quizzes. Have fun, and remember to always be clever. Hey, hey.